Hey guys, I'm Laurie, and my channel will be dedicated to just sharing with you guys any random Excel tips or skills I've come across that I've found to be quite useful for me, and so hopefully it will be useful to you someday. So today I'm going to share with you something I've learned in Excel where I can fill multiple blank cells at the same time. So let's say I've got this little table here. So I've got this blank cells where I don't know the name of the person with that particular test score. So what I want to do is to make all those blank cells equal to, say, no name. But as opposed to doing that for very repetitively for every single blank cell, there is an easy way of doing it. So what I'll do is to select all those cells, including all those blank cells. I press F5, and then I press Special. Then I go select blanks. And this will allow me to select all the blank cells here. Then I'm going to make them all equal to no name. So I type in no name. And don't just press enter yet, because if I press enter now, then it will only fill cell A3. In order to fill multiple cells at the same time, we have to press Ctrl Enter. So now I'm going to press Ctrl Enter, and there we go. So we've got every single blank cell filled with no name. That's great. So now I'm going to delete this. So let's say now I know that all those will belong to Cassie. So all those scores are Cassie scores, and all those are Laurie scores, and all those are Sally's scores. So I'll give you you can pause the video and just have a think, how would you go about doing that quickly? So 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. So I'm sure you figured out. So you do the same steps. We select everything and you press F5 and you go to specials and select the blanks, press OK, and you go equal to A2 and you go Control Enter, and there we go. We've got every single blank cells filled with the previous cell. So here we've got A2 and here we've got A3. So basically the formula flows. It's selecting the values one cell up to it. Okay, so great. That's what I've learned today. So hopefully that's useful to you. And I'll see you in another episode.